All right, let's see. Hello, it's me, Eli, aka Slim. Yeah, actually, hey, this is my living room. I don't show this a lot. And also, sorry if a cat jumps on camera. I want to take the time to make a video about Scattered Nexus. That's the exciting thing coming up. I have a Kickstarter coming up beginning of August. So I want to spend this month making as much content and explaining as much about the game as I can. So that's what this video is about. A couple days ago, I got the demo copies of Scattered Nexus in the mail. So that's been fun. That's been pretty cool. Here's one of the boxes here. Let's see. Inside we have a little 8-page rulebook. It's cute, as well as all, well, the cards that go with this this block. So as I said, this next couple weeks, I'm just going to be sending these out to playtesters and reviewers to kind of get their feedback and see what they think about it. Hopefully get some, other people to think the game's awesome. Because, hearing me say it over and over again, isn't that compelling. Also, everyone who is going to be getting a demo copy is also going to get one of these play mats. But, just neoprene play mats that have just the 5 slots, a deck space, location space, discard pile. So that's exciting. Hopefully get some more videos from some people this month, and I'll show you all about that soon. But yeah, ball's up and rolling, and you should see more content rolling out soon. That's a quick update on what I'm gonna be doing the rest of this month. Hope everybody's week's going all right, and I'll talk to you next time.